For each of the polynomial, find P1, P0 and P2. So we need to find out three value of the same polynomial. The given polynomial is x cube, and this is called mononomial since this polynomial has only one term. And in this polynomial, we're going to find out value of the polynomial as P1. So here instead of x we can take 1. So here we have x cube, so we can take 1 cube. 1 cube will remain as 1. So value of the polynomial when x is 1, it is 1. Then we need P0. So P0, so you will take 0 on the place of x, that is 0 cube will remain as 0. And third value we need P minus 2. So P minus 2, on the place of x we can substitute minus 2. Here we have x cube, so I'll take minus 2 cube. So 2 cube is 8. Since it is cube, so cube of negative number will remain as negative. So here minus 2 cube will give you minus 8. So these are the values. P1 is 1, P0 0, P minus 2 is minus 8. Now second question, third question I am doing, second question you will do. Third question is x raised to 4 polynomial with respect to x, where the given polynomial is x raised to 4 minus 2x square and minus x. This is the given polynomial. We need to find out three values of this polynomial. Uh, so first we will take P1. So wherever we have x, we will substitute 1 there, 1 raised to 4 minus 2 into 1 raised to 2 minus 1. So 1 raised to 4, that is 1, minus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. So this positive 1, negative 1 will become 0. So you will have only negative 2. So P1 is negative 2. Then we need P0. P0, that is substitute 0 on the place. Substitute 0 on the place of x. So x raised to 4, that is 0 raised to 4 minus 2 into x raised to 4 2, that is 0 raised to 2 minus 0. So 0 raised to 4 will remain as 0. So when we multiply this 2 with this 0, I'll get 0 itself minus 0. So total value will become 0. Then we need P minus 2. So I'll substitute minus 2 on the place of x. So minus 2 raised to 4 minus 2 into minus 2 raised to 2 minus minus 2. So here 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 2 raised to 4 is 16. Since it is negative 16, so it will become negative 2 will give you positive 16. This minus 2 square will give you positive 4. This would be positive 4, and this is negative 2. So 4 twos are 8. And then we have negative negative. So will become positive 2. So 16 minus 8 plus 2. So 16 plus 2, 18. Or subtract 8 from 18. So you will get 10. So p raised to value of the polynomial when x is minus 2 is 10. So this way we can solve question number 1 and 3. It's your turn to solve this question number 2. This one is remaining. You need to find out value of this polynomial when value of y is 1, value of y is 0, value of y is minus 2. This is question number 3. If the value of the polynomial, so this is our given polynomial. Ansari Aryan, your all three answers are correct, and everybody please stop sending messages. Focus on this question number 3. If value of the polynomial, this is the given polynomial, m cube plus 2m plus a is 12. So this is value when m is 2. Then find the value of a. So this is our question. I am going to find out value of a. So as per given question says we have a polynomial with variable m, and that polynomial is actually m cube plus 2m plus a. This is my given polynomial, and value of this polynomial, that is p2, when I am substituting m as 2, this value should be 12. This is according to the given question. We need to find out value of this a. So what I'll do, I'll substitute 2 on the place of m, and this pm, that is p2. Here we have m cube, that is 2 cube, plus 2m, that is 2 into 2, plus a, and this p2 is actually 12. So this p2 can be replaced with 12. So here we can take 12 equals to 2 cube. 2 cube, that is 8, then plus 2 twos are 4, plus a. So thereby next 12 is equals to 8 plus 4, that is 12 plus a. So if I'll keep my a on its place, this 12 on its place, this 2 can be sent to the other side since it is positive 2. So when I'll bring it to the other side, it will become negative 12. So this way a is 0. Positive 12 minus negative 12. So that will give us 0. So the value of a is 0 for this particular question. Hope it is clear to everybody. This is question number 4 from practice set number 3.5. For the polynomial mx square minus 2x plus 3, if p minus 1 is 7, then find the value of m. So here the given polynomial is mx square minus 2x plus 3, and we have value of polynomial when value of the variable is minus 1 is 7. So what I'll do, I'll substitute minus 1 on the place of all the x. So here we can take m into minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 3. Value of this p minus 1 is 7. So here we can take 7. Minus 1 square will remain as 1 plus 1. That is m into plus 1 will remain as m. Minus 2 minus 1 will give me my plus 2 and plus 3. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 7 equals to m plus 5. Keeping m on its place, 7 on its place, this 5 can be taken to the other side. So will become negative 5. 7 minus 5, that is 2. This is value of m for this particular question. Hope it is clear to everybody.